Imagine yourself in this 2017 Kia Cadenza technology. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: 10-way power adjustable driver's seat, 290 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth and clock, analog. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.